Imagine you are sitting in front of your computer and opening the software. When the software opens, you do not see Facebook right away. Instead, you see a management dashboard. This is where you add your Facebook accounts only once. Each account already has permission to manage one or more fan pages. After adding the accounts, the software remembers the login information and assigns each account to its own separate environment. This means every account behaves as if it is logging in from a different person and a different device. Next, you do not start posting immediately. First, you go to the content management section. Here, you paste your post text and upload images or videos. At this stage, the content is only saved inside the software. Nothing is posted yet. After that, you move to the posting function. Here, you only do three things. First, you select the content you have already prepared. Second, you choose the list of fan pages you want to post to. Third, you set the delay time between each post, for example 20 to 30 seconds. When you click the start button, the software actually begins running. Right after you press start, the software automatically opens its built-in hidden browser, not the Chrome browser you normally use. This browser opens the first fan page and logs in using the correct account that manages that page. You will see the following actions happen automatically. The correct fan page is selected, the content is pasted into the post box, images or videos are uploaded, the post is published after finishing the first fan page. The software does not post continuously. It pauses for exactly the number of seconds you set, for example 25 seconds. When the waiting time is over, the software automatically moves to the second fan page and repeats the exact same actions like a real human opening the page, switching fan pages and publishing the post. In the same way, the third, fourth, and fifth fan pages are posted one by one. Nothing is posted at the same time and nothing looks spammy. You can either watch the entire process running on your screen or let the software run in the background while you work on something else. Most importantly, you do not need to log into Facebook manually. You do not need to switch between fan pages. You do not need to copy and paste posts one by one. Software does only one thing. It repeats human posting actions, but faster and without getting tired.